Hi, today I'm going to show you how I log some new projects in my logbook. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I put my newest projects in my book. I know I've showed you this before, but it's just something I like to keep you up to date on. So here we go. It'll be a quick video and it won't hurt. Here is my book. And here is my project that I'm working on. I'm not excited about it. It's the Flamingo by Hobby Lobby. Okay, here is Dreams of the Universe. And I don't see the colors. That's okay, because we're going to skip that one for right now. Okay, this is the Make Market Kit, my cupcakes. Now, the cupcake and the lollipop actually have the same exact color grid. So I am just going to cut this out. Gonna make this small. Yep, and we have plenty of room, so we're gonna do it like that. And of course, I don't have my tape in here. I will be back in a shake. Forgot my tape. Tape. That was a quick shake. Not like a chocolate shake or a vanilla shake, but it was a shake. All right, now we don't need this because we all know what it is. So this kit is from Make Market. And I got it on clearance, although it really doesn't matter because it's one I'd been eyeing and wanted to do. So it has 31 colors, and I have one of them here. The other one is being worked on. Haven't started the cupcakes yet. But they're going to be fun. They will be fun to do. That's for sure. Okay. So this one is 31 colors. And they are partials. And I put the events that I'm doing them for. And then I will put the end date of when I finish them. And I have used fairy dust drills already for the number 27 symbol. And I did it for the 14 symbol. I put fairy dust in lollipop. Don't know what I'm going to do for the cupcake yet because I haven't gotten to that point yet. So on this side, On this side, I'm going to put my drinks. So since this is all stickers, I'm going to cut it out, make it a little narrower. Okay, guys, English is hard. Gonna make it smaller. How's that? So let's see. Mini Dazzles. And this is the drink set. It's a set of 6. Drinks. And I'm going to put my start date. I'm going to start them tonight. And then here is finished. I know it will be May, so I'll just put May, but I don't know when yet. It'll come. And then these, here we go. These are little stickers. So I'm going to put the stickers on here. I like these little stickers. So my favorite one is the smoothie. So that's hot chocolate, that's coffee, that's lemonade. And I'm going to write what this one is because I won't remember. Matcha. And this one's I'll remember, it's a bubble of tea because of the little circles. And those are delicious if you ever bit into one. They're really good. So this one has 20 colors. So I don't need the numbers. I just need the symbols. And they're all fairy dust. There is no ABs, no plain drills. So I'm going to put these a little further down so I can put a little bit of information if I want to. I still have room. And this will be my drills, and then spares will be there. So there's that. And let me fold that over. When I first started in diamond art, I had no idea it was going to become an obsession. You know what I mean? I had no idea. So this is for Crafty Chef Diamonds. 2-year anniversary for hashtag diamond painting with friends 2025. That's the hashtag. But the group is Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. Be sure to check out that group on Facebook, and please join our July event, which is Disney. And Disney is such a vast variety of things. You could actually do food, because in Epcot is all the different countries and their food and cultures. You could do a painting on Chinese culture, or anything you wanted, American culture. You could do Paris. You could do, what's another country? Italy. You could do Italian. That's just Epcot. In the Magic Kingdom, you got all the princesses, all the fairy tales. Well, not all the fairy tales, but some. And your Star Wars. You could do Star Wars for July. So come join Laura and I, Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, for July Disney. So the next one is this wolf. This wolf one is my traveling canvas. And it's going to go out probably May 14th. That's when I think it'll all be ready to go. It is 67 colors. Here are my colors. And I've already cut out the information. Oh, let's go down, not up. 67 colors. And again, we don't need the it just makes them smaller. I don't need the actual number of, like, this is diamond number 33. I don't need that information. Okay. I do need this though. I almost cut the wrong column off, guys. All right, let's see. Where's the other one? Here it is. So we're going to do 1, 2, the check mark, and then 2 that. And then that. So let's tape these on. I think I'm going to write information there, and then on this side, we'll put these. Yeah, I can't lose this because we have got to stay in touch with people who have the canvas. So almost. So there's my drills. So I'm going to, on this page, I'm going to write the participant's name in my book. in the order that they receive the canvas. So my first subscriber is Trisha. She's going to be receiving the canvas first. And this is going to be fun. I've never done this before. It will be fun. So these are the ones I'm working on right now. That's the cupcake, the lollipop, and the cupcakes. Oh, let's not forget about our little friend, the flamingo. The drinks, and then the traveling canvas. And I don't know what else at this point that I'm going to do. I am still thinking about it. So if you have an idea of what you'd like to see me work on, you might have to go back and look at my stash. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if you have an idea. And let me write down in the notes, next canvas. And then I asked you guys, what events are you participating in? If I don't write this down, you'll answer my question. And then I'll be like, why did they say that? So then I have to go back and watch the video and see if I can find out what I said. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you all have a great, great day or night wherever you are. And be kind to everyone you meet.